Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Upasana Taneja, and in this video we have this question where you can see we are given that one side we have power in x, 6 raised to power x, and another side x is base, like x raised to power something, right? So whenever we have this type of question, we always solve this by two methods. And what are those two methods? First method is that you take log on both sides, right? And another method is what? We will do this question by another method. So what is that method? For that we will see solution here now. So for that method, what do you need to do? You just need to put x on one side, either on right hand side or on left hand side, right? So what can I do now to put x on one side? As you can see here, we have power x. 6 raised to power x is x raised to power 18. Okay. What if I take power 1 by x on both sides? Okay. Because my goal is to put x on one side and there should only be x on that side. Okay. So if I take power 1 by x, what will happen? You know what? A raised to power m raised to power n is actually a raised to power mn. That means you multiply both the powers, right? Okay. So 6 raised to power x times 1 by x is equal to x raised to power 18 times 1 by x, right? So if we see left hand side, this x and x will cancel out. That means we are left with 6 is equal to x raised to power 18 by x, right? Okay. So now what will I do? I just need x on one side, but I can see that we have 18 as well. Okay. And I want to remove this 18. Okay. So for removing this 18, what should I do? I should divide by 18, right? Here in the power. So I will take power 1 by 18 on both sides. Okay, what will happen now? This side we have 6 raised to power 1 by 18. But what do we have on right hand side? Right hand side, the powers will get multiplied, right? A raised to power m raised to power n is mn, right? So here, okay. So we have multiplied the power and now we can cancel out 18 and 18. So left hand side we have 6 raised to power 1 by 18 and right hand side we have x raised to power 1 by x. Okay. Now you know what? If it was same like x here, and if we had 1 by 6 only, something like that if we had this 6 raised to power 1 by 6 is equal to x raised to power 1 by x, then we could compare it and we could say that x is 6. Okay, but unfortunately we don't have that. This is not unfortunate, we can do that as well, right? So what will I do, or what should I do to make this left hand side in this form, the right hand side form? Okay. So if we see here, how can we make the same thing? You know what? So if you are good in calculations, then you should know that 6 square is 36 and 18 times 2 is 36, right? So what if I take power, I can write this 6 by 6 raised to power 1 by 18 and I take power 2 by 2. Right hand side I am not touching. Because why did I write 2 by 2? Because I want to take power inside. And power is 1 and 1 can be written as 2 by 2. Right? Okay. Now what can I do? If I bring these both 2's inside, then you know what? This can be written as 1 by 18 times 2 by 2. Okay. So what will I do now? A raised to power mn is equal to a raised to power m raised to power n. Okay, so this is, you suppose you say this is m2 and this is n. Okay, so 6 raised to power, you take 2 here and this 18 and 2 you keep here only, and that will become 36. Okay, x raised to power 1 by x. So 6 square is 36 raised to power 1 by 36 is equal to x raised to power 1 by x. And now we got it that x and x, the base and base are same and powers are same. So now we can compare, and on comparing we get x is what? 36. So I hope you get it. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel and visit my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in next video.